That was absolutely fantastic. What's going on, y'all? Attorney Tom here. We are going back to our roots. We haven't done this in a while, but it's time to jump back on the horse again. TikTok React video. This is top quality content.
Prepaid legal services will empower you. We'll help you stand and fight. Take back your rights. America still means justice for all. Take back the power. The law was made for you. Now you can stand and fight, defend your rights. Stand up for the truth. We can have.
That was absolutely fantastic. I need a song like that. Somebody tell me where I can get someone to make me a song exactly like that. That was fantastic. That was a rock anthem. Take back the power, baby. A+ song, starting out strong.
The ugly truth about truck driving stand for.
What do we do all day here?
Well, I mean, I got a good 10-hour break in last night, and then I was told to.
Okay. We got. Just get out of the truck and walk around the truck, get some fresh air here.
Oh yeah, I did that about an hour ago. I stopped for about 20 minutes.
Let's do it again here. And get some coffee, get something, get a pop, something like that to get us at least to Oak Creek here. And then if we have to, we might have a truck in Oak Creek if you're taking it to Woodridge, but we got to be able to get it to Oak Creek because I don't have any extra trucks in Gary or Chicago.
Right. Well, I mean, I'm starting to micro sleep going down the road, man. I mean, I'm not safe to be on the road.
Let's get out, get some coffee, get something to help wake us up. Walk around the truck.
That is disgusting, and that is ultimately a reality. You know me, I'm a catastrophic personal injury lawyer. I have done trucking cases. I have been in trials for trucking cases. And this is a very real reality. More and more trucking companies are more like logistic companies. They don't care about the driver. They squeeze the driver. If the driver says they are tired, full stop, they need to be taken off the road because they will hurt someone. This guy said he was micro sleeping, falling asleep at the wheel, and he's probably driving an 80,000 pound vehicle. This is a prime example of profits over people. All this trucking company cares about is making the shipment on time, and if this guy were to injure somebody or himself, this trucking company would be lit up. And then they would bitch and moan and lobby about why their insurance premiums are too high because of this kind of shit. How Melinda Gates, divorce attorney, pulling up on court day. Actually, I lied. I know I was just upset about the truck driver, but I am now a divorce attorney. Bill or Melinda, I'm looking for a client because that is a fairly accurate representation of what is going to happen. But fun fact, when you are really, 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 really rich, you already have lawyers on retainer. You don't shop for lawyers. By the time the public hears about something, they've already hired a lawyer and they're probably already pretty significantly far in the process.
Different tribe. The hypothesis is it's not their tribal culture. It's a completely different tribe across the country, and they cannot ever become a member of that tribe because they have no ancestors in the tribe.
Certainly, Mr. Chief Justice. In this case, the child would still have a political connection to that tribe, and
I get the political point. Now I'm moving on to how is it rational.
Well, Your Honor,
political just gets you to what the test is, right? Now we have to see whether this is a reasonable thing for Congress to have done.
It's rational insofar as that it allows for children to be protected in their...
We've all been there. I remember when I had to give a fake appellate moot court type thing as an assignment in law school. It was my first time ever. I totally stumbled through the words. And then the first time I ever tried a case by myself, I felt like I was bumbling throughout the entire time. Full disclosure, is a bench trial on a relatively lower tier matter. It wasn't a catastrophic personal injury case. And the judge was real cool. He knew it was my first trial. We got through it. Everything was fine. Don't be afraid to fail. Nothing wrong with it. What's the worst that can happen? Funny TikTok videos made of you? Yeah. That is crazy. And actually, loose tires are a very, very common form of injury. And they often cause very severe catastrophic injuries. Right now, my firm has a case where a tire flew off of an 18-wheeler making a right, and it rolled, and it killed someone. Watch out.
Number one victory royale. Yeah, for now we about to get down. Get down. 10 kills on the board right now. Just right down.
Classic crime pickle. Remember, if you commit a crime, first of all, don't commit crimes. But if you're going to commit a crime, never, ever admit to it or post about it on social media. Huge mistake, crime pickle. That's tough. Hooters once offered an employee with a chance to win a Toyota when the winning waitress was giving a Toyota action figure as a prank. She sued and won enough to pick out whatever type of Toyota she wants. This is absolutely true. This is a real story. You learn about this in law school. Hooters had a competition amongst their employees. They said the winner gets a Toyota. Everybody thought they meant the car because that's what you would think. So the employees busted their ass and the winner was giving a Toyota. Hooters was sued. They lost. The court said that the employees detrimentally relied on the promise of a car. So she got a car. She won. Good for her. How to get away from any situation. One more time. Speed running. You know what? If you could teleport like in Mario 64, you probably could get away with a whole lot more. But I love how the guy's literally running with a beer in his hand away from the cops. It's not gonna work out, man. How do you explain this to the insurance company without video? I swear, a pack of dogs destroyed my car. Yeah, good luck with that one. Insurance companies are terrible enough as it is. They don't pay for reasonable stuff. But luckily, we don't even have to go down that rabbit hole because you have a video. You are very lucky. Use the video, make them insurance companies pay. That was crazy.
This is what was on my thermostat. Energy rush hour from 3:30 to 5:30, yet it is 9 p.m. and I still cannot change my thermostat to set it to cool. So it is 80 degrees inside the house. It's 9:50. This was set at 3 p.m. and it has said this the entire day. It will not go past what they're setting it as. I called and there's nothing that they're going to do about it. So we're just waiting. Hopefully this shit's over sometime soon. So you tell me if I was doing what the state said.
Can they do that? Can the government, can the utility company force you using the smart thermometer to force you to make a certain temperature? Keep the house at a certain temperature? This guy's in Texas. I'm in Texas. I have a smart thermostat. I haven't had this happen to me. I would be furious if I did. If that happened to me, I would literally unplug my smart thermostat and put in my old thermostat just to control it. For anybody who might not be a Texan, we have a totally f***ed up power grid. It's run by people called ERCOT, and I'm not going to get too much into it because I'm actually suing ERCOT for what happened in the winter. But basically, they issued a whole warning that there was too much electricity being used, so people need to roll back how much air they're using, and they recommended people's house be at 82 degrees, which is absurd. I mean, I'm in a 76, 77 right now, and I am sweating. But just the legal question, can a utility company or a government actor, pseudo-government actor, force you to have a certain temperature at a thermostat? Well, I'm not going to comment on the legal aspect of this because, like I said, I'm suing ERCOT currently. I do want to make a comment. Texas, fix the power grid. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope y'all liked it. That was fun. Good to be back at watching TikToks again. Always a blast. A lot of great content, wholesome content, family content on the app TikTok. All right, y'all, again, thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing. Hit that like button. It really does me a big favor. Talk to you guys later. Bye.